Good evening, everybody. It's meteorologist Erica Martin with Weather Co-op, where weather meets community, and I am back, as I promised, with an update on what we can expect for the rest of this upcoming week. Well, we're going to go 72 hours out. I'm using the ECMWF model, and if you look right here, our little handy-dandy blue hand, is it populating? It is. There it is. You'll see your time, okay? And we are going with a CDT. And look at the legend here. You can reference the legend. You can reference the legend as we look at the precip moving across the nation. So we just got some populated weather alerts for portions of the Pacific Northwest. So Washington State, we're seeing some issues there. Oregon seeing some issues with some precip that's making it that's going to start to change over. We're getting a little bit of a wintry type weather situation. So we're seeing some winter storm warnings. We're also seeing some winter weather advisories issued by the National Weather Service. Of course, that's to be expected as we get any type of storm system that could move through, and we have some associated cold air. That's going to be a problem because that frontal boundary, although the one that's going to make it onto the Pacific Northwest, the frontal boundary is not a very strong one. It's still enough to change things over to wintry type weather, and this is what they're making sure we're aware of here up and along the Pacific Northwest. But we do have to look at that weather that's still continuing to move across the East Coast. It's moving offshore now, so now it's less of an issue than what we saw earlier as far as rain goes, but not less of an issue as far as the concern for flood stages. We're seeing some flooded areas as far as low-lying areas when it comes to things like streams, rivers. Please be advised. We're also seeing the potential for some changeover in areas where we're hovering right around that freezing mark, especially for upstate New York and northern New England. So you see here, if we reference the legend, you're getting a little bit of a glaze, wintry mix there, and some snow. And that's over the next couple of hours, 5 a.m., CDT Tuesday. You'll still see some rain moving along portions of the Carolinas, portions of the Mid-Atlantic. There you see a change over there. So don't be surprised if some of you across parts of New England get some snow, a little bit of a wintry mix there. And in fact, parts of Appalachia, Piedmont, let's see who else. The Ohio Valley, you guys are going to get some more precip, and some of it will change over. Okay, can you see that Wednesday afternoon? And we're going to be tracking this flow. Do you see if I go back here, pull this back to 10 p.m. CDT? Okay, now keep in mind, right, local time here in Southern California is 8 p.m., 10 p.m. We're going to continue to move forward. Look at the flow. Can you actually see the pattern? How cool is that, huh? So we're going to be tracking that for you over the next couple of days. I also did want to show you that I didn't see too much of a concern when it came to Storm Prediction Center outlooks. Now, I was looking at the long-range models, and of course, anytime I see the potential for significant tornado risk or severe weather threat, I'm going to keep you guys updated. This is day one. This is what's lingering. This is what's remaining, and you're seeing that slight risk here. So again, that system is pretty much moving offshore. What remains for the next couple of days include this for a really a minor risk of a thunderstorm, if any at all. And then this is beyond that. We're going to see something in the Ohio Valley. Once again, I'm meteorologist Erica Martin with Weather Co-op, where weather meets community. I do hope you're all having a great start to your work week. Make sure you guys DM us or email us at weather@weathercoop.com. Eric@weathercoop.com. That's me. Info@weathercoop.com and social@weathercoop.com. And be sure you follow us on IG. We're so grateful for all of the support we're getting. We've gotten over 2 million views just on IG alone over the past 90 days. So that's really exciting. And I'm so grateful. We couldn't do any of this without you all. Beyond grateful. And we're just excited to see how the weather continues along this week. If you're like me and you love weather, thank you for joining me here at Weather Co-op, where weather meets community. So keep in mind that's day 3 up here, SPC. Bye, guys.